This is an introduction to our toolset for mobile app developers that makes translations into multiple languages easy and fast. Easy means more languages means a bigger market, and a bigger market means higher revenues. Fast means no release delay for localization, and no delay equals higher revenues. Traditional app translation wastes developers' time and delays each software release. The developer sends screenshots and translation strings to each translator. Translators return translation text files. The developer compiles the translations and then looks at every string on every screen of every language for strings that are too long. When a string is too long, they send a screenshot to the translator asking them to shorten the translation. In real life, one round trip between a developer and all the translators can take days. Multiple round trips is the norm. You might think revisions are easier. They aren't. Any user interface change means a complete review of every string on every screen for every language. Traditional app localization is a manual process, it's inefficient, and needlessly delays software releases. Loco automates the manual processes and gives translators the tools to provide correct length translations in the first and only translation round. The Loco toolset is a desktop app that deconstructs the mobile app, and a website where translators review app screens and translate in context. The Loco app gathers strings and screen definitions that are then uploaded to the Loco website. Translators view the app screens recreated as HTML web pages. The visual context helps translators determine the correct translation. Here's an example of two screens, English source on the left in blue and Korean on the right in green. Translators edit the strings in place on the app screens or below in a list view. String overruns by 1 pixel are very obvious. Translators can shorten the translation to fit, eliminating developer review of every string on every screen in every language. When visual context is not enough, Loco Talk messaging on each string direct to the developer gets clarifications efficiently. All translators see all clarifications. When the translations are complete, the Loco app inserts them back into the developer app. Nothing manual, so no mistakes or accidents. With translators standing by, a full translation round trip should take hours, not days. Faster, easier translation to multiple languages means a bigger market and more revenues for your app.